See, it's so dark out there. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. Absorb the smoke from. Hello guys, good morning and no, it's good afternoon. It's already afternoon. It's already 12. These days I'm waking up in it late. So this is the view. It's so windy. See? So I just woke up now. The reason was yesterday I slept late, and yeah, that's the consequences. And yeah, right now I'm going to have tea. They've already made for me, so I'll just tea. Yeah, so I'll just have my tea and yeah, take wash up and go to the shop. So that's the duty I have today. देखो ये जनाब भी आ गया. What is he looking? He's looking at this biscuit. Kitty. See? But I'll just eat and show him. I'll just give him. So, give me. Hey, we're smart. So, I guess I'm happy and barbecue, guys. Guys, I'm done with the tea, so right now I'll take wash up and go to the shop. See, Kevin here. So guys, I'm just opening my shop. So it's Gine agla. So the shop is open. It's a bit messy today because I was working. Kitty, kitty, see, kitty, kitty, kitty. So I'll do a little cleanup and yeah, we're good to go. So guys, right now I was making this. Let me just show you from the front camera. So this is the model, this is the battery, this is the fan. Say when I work now, as I use this type of things, this soldering paste, the smoke just come into my face. So I'm making some type of model that can absorb the smoke from the particles. So I'm still working on it. So I'll show you the complete setup when it is done. So guys, this is the complete package. Now as I use, the smoke is absorbed. Now as you can see. So this is the complete package. So, this is the one. It's about to be. Wait. Yeah, 5, and I'm sleepy as well, waiting in the shop, no customer, and yeah, the work that I had to do, it's all finished, so I guess it's time to go down, yeah, close the shop and go back to my room, because as you know, my room is downside, our home only, so everything is finished, so I'll get down and yeah, see what we can do. So guys, I'm going to have food now. I just came back from the shop. So this is akune, and yeah, there is a special one. Today we have this rice and this is mutton pickle. No? So I'll quickly have that and get back to you guys. So guys, I just had my food and I came back to my room. So look, come go little online dinner. So I'll work a bit on online Instagram for my online store. So if you want to order, you can. The link is in the description. So you can always check out my Instagram page, and yeah, COD is available as well. So you can order from there. The products are listed in the Instagram page, so you can check out and order. Right now, I'll just stay like this, watch movie, and yeah, I have to pick up my brother. My brother is coming from Dimapur tonight, so he'll reach around 12, 1, I guess, maybe so. So I have to pick up, so I have to wait for him. That's why, yeah, I'll just meet you when my brother comes. So guys, as I was waiting, it's already, yeah, my brother called me in the middle of my video shooting, so it's already, yeah, 12, 10, 11. So he just called and told me that he reached Jazba, so it will be another, I have to wait for another 1 to 2 hours. I have to wait, so I'll just go down to the kitchen and have tea, and yeah, if possible I'll wait, otherwise I'll go to sleep. And yeah, when he calls me, I'll go and pick him up. The reason that I'm not sleeping is once I go to sleep, I won't be able to wake up. That's the one thing I have, a bad habit I have. No matter how much phone calls or yeah, people wake me up, try to wake me up in the middle of my sleep. If I'm not satisfied with my sleep, I won't wake up. So guys, I slept off, and yeah, I just woke up now, and it's already 3:10. Exactly after 2 hours, my brother, he just called me and he said he have reached Zunheboto, so it won't take 5 to 10 minutes to reach her. So I have to go to the town and pick him up. So I'll be going by leg, so I have to move from now, by now. So I'll just move. And see, it's so dark out there. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. So cold out there. So guys, he's arrived. Yeah, here's the bus. So cold, but I'm shivering. So guys, we just reached it's so tiring. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys liked this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and see you guys in another vlog. Till then, take care, bye bye and tata.